Cannibal.
Looks like Santa threw up in here. Merry Christmas.
Because it's what Jesus would freaking do!
Hey, did you guys give up? Have you had enough pain?
Never!